Hey guys, welcome to the show. It's me. Today we're going to talk about taxes. We'll cover tax basics every adult should know. So whether you're 18 or 80, make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's start with what is tax? Tax is a financial contribution that everyone who lives in a country or society pays to the government. The government uses these funds to provide public services such as education, healthcare, infrastructure, and defense. In exchange for these services, the government has the authority to make and enforce laws, collect taxes, and use them to build more schools, hospitals, roads, parks, and other public facilities for everyone to enjoy. Everyone who lives in a country and earns an income is responsible for paying taxes to that country. Next, let's discuss different types of taxes. There are many different types of taxes, and they can be confusing. Here are some of the most common ones. Sales tax is a consumption tax that you pay when you buy something. Sales tax is usually a percentage of the item's price. For example, if you buy a dress for $100 and your state has a sales tax rate of 6%, you will pay an additional $6 in sales tax. That brings the total cost of the dress to $106. Property tax is a tax that you pay on the value of your property. This is usually calculated annually, and it is often paid by the owner of the property. For example, if your home is worth $250,000 and your local government has a property tax rate of 1%, you will pay $2,500 in property tax each year. Income tax is a tax that you pay on your earnings. This can include money that you earn from a job, business, or investments. The amount of income tax that you pay depends on your income level and tax bracket. For example, if you earn $50,000 a year, you may have to pay $2,500 in income tax. The next type of tax is capital gains tax. This is a tax that you pay on the profit you make from selling something, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. For example, if you sell a stock for $1,000 and you bought it for $500, you have made a $500 profit. If you are in the 12% tax bracket, you will pay $60 in capital gains tax. Next, we're going to talk about excise tax. Excise tax is a tax on specific goods and services. These are usually things that the government wants to discourage people from buying, such as alcohol, tobacco, or gasoline. For example, if a pack of cigarettes costs $10 and there is a 50% excise tax on it, the tax would be $5. So the total cost of the pack of cigarettes would be $15. Finally, we have estate tax, also known as the death tax. This is a tax that is paid on the value of someone's estate when they die. Not everyone has to pay estate tax. Currently, the federal government does not charge estate tax unless the value of the estate is $11.7 million or more for individuals and $23.4 million or more for married couples. However, some states do have their own estate taxes. We've covered quite a few different types of taxes, and it can be difficult to keep track of them all. Luckily, there are professionals who can help you manage your taxes, such as accountants and tax attorneys. They can help you file your taxes correctly and make sure you don't owe any more taxes than you should. They can also help you plan for retirement, estate planning, and other financial matters. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And if you're interested in learning more about taxes, check out our website for more resources. Thank you for watching.